What's going on, guys? My name's Wilson. I'm a licensed drone pilot. So today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of Delaware County Diesel Repair, a diesel mechanic shop and also diesel parts sellers. They contracted me out to do an aerial fly-through of their shop and their parts department. And we're gonna have some fun, and I'll show you behind the scenes of how I'm talking through it and how I plan on flying. So, all right, let's go. Delaware County Diesel Repair. So they do diesel repairs and they do sell parts, diesel parts as well. Anything ranging from, farmers equipment, excavating to diesel trucks, you name it, they got it here. So pretty big warehouse. So I'm gonna be flying through, showing the parts side where they keep all their parts. And that's actually kind of cool too, because I hear that they are expanding to a bigger warehouse, which would be really neat to see. But for today, I'm gonna be flying through the parts side right over here, and then on the other side, the mechanic side as well. So stay tuned, and here we go. With today, right here, got the DJI AVATA 2. So I'm gonna be rocking that today. Here's the headset, here's the controller. I think it should be really cool today. So I'm thinking fly from out there where you saw the Delco diesel sign. I'll come in, do a little swirl around the shop, maybe try to hit some cool gaps. And then once I'm done with that, then I'm gonna come over here to the parts side, which is right behind me. See, they got a pretty big parts side that will be expanding to what I hear into a bigger warehouse solely. And then once we do that, I'll do a little loop around here, maybe try to find some cool lucrative gaps I can go through. And then after that, exit and have a cool little, just soft exit out. So stay tuned, here we go. Altitude, okay, here we go. Start normal mode. Okay. Now we're recording. Go outside. Switch to manual. A little shaky. This is what I'm gonna do. It's a little windy out. It's okay, so I'm gonna try to kind of start. Don't make sure I hit the wires. Got so many freaking wires. And also I'm gonna put my angle at probably, I'd say 9's a safe bet. So we're gonna do that. Very windy out, high wind. We're coming. Wind's pushing us a lot. Slowly coming across. God, it's howling today. Coming up to the sign, Delco diesel, trying to keep it even. Come up to the sign. Going to the shop. Little top. American flag. Underneath the truck. Cool. Showcase the guys working. Underneath the truck. Showcase Danny. Going through that was pretty cool. Definitely gonna be wiping out a lot of dust for these guys, so it's okay. Going over here. Over here, nothing's too exciting over here. Go around Danny again. Through the doors. Here's the parts side. Slow and steady over that. Going through the back doors again. Got the mechanics laughing. That's cool. Going to the oval top right here. That's pretty neat. There's another little circle. That's a wrap up here at Delco Diesel. Great time being able to go through and you know, showcase the mechanic side of things, the shop, and also even just be able to showcase their new parts side as well. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check them out here in Westerville, Ohio. They sell from farming side of the parts side to excavating to truck parts. They're here, you got it. I mean, look at this, it's a pretty big selection, and I know it's only going to grow and get bigger is what they told me. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace. If you like that video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow along. If you're interested in parts, advice, or a job opportunity, hit us up and let us know. Join us next time.